I mentioned, we've got a pet product that is astounding. Dr. Bevan took the things out of People Restore that pets should not have, created Pet Restore. We've got old dogs that are lame and can't climb stairs running around like puppies. We've got cats doing the same thing like kittens. Listen, if your pet is shedding, coughing, hacking, spitting up, has fleas, trouble, itching, they're closer to the carpet, they're closer to the yard, to the grass, to all the chemicals and all those things. They just can't tell us they're hurting. You will be astounded at the allergies our pets have, and you're going to be astounded at how all that changes when they